travel takes as I pack for my trip to Turks and Caicos. I'm able to pack for a whole week in this great carry-on, Lighten Up durable fabric that is water repellent. And can we talk about this pattern? These essential packing cubes. It keeps me organized, different outfits, different nights, whatever I want, and it fits so perfectly. The ditty bag. There's 101 ways to use it, but when I'm traveling, I always throw my shoes or these cute flip-flops. I always pack all my toiletries in one of these clear PVC cosmetics. Not only is the fish detail the most adorable thing ever, nothing will spill out into my other items. An umbrella, you never know what you're gonna get into. This family tote, it's perfect for the beach, and at the end of the day, when I'm ready to head back to the room, I can shake out all the sand. You can also use it as a carry-on bag that can fit all those souvenirs or anything I bought on my trip. Everything folds in nice, neat. The iconic Verito. The padded straps make it comfortable to wear when you're running through the airport. I have this great clipped onto my bag, easy access stow and go. This mini cosmetic, when I'm traveling, I still have all my phone chargers, my laptop cords, a scarf. Not only is it fashionable, I use it for a blanket on the plane. I can use it as a sarong on the beach. The all-in-one crossbody is one of my favorite accessories we have. You can throw it in your bag as a wallet when you're traveling. Front pocket, so I can easily store my phone. It really is that ultimate bag without having to bog down my suitcase with additional accessories. I'm gonna flash this great little cute passport wallet. I mean, come on, let's go places with that cute fish. I had to pick it up. I can't be caught dead without my Sunny's jewelry. So this little travel pillowcase is the perfect item to throw those dainty little accessories. How cute am I gonna look sitting on the beach with this in my hand? The foldable roller. It's so lightweight, love it. All inclusive all the way. Oh, gotta relax and unwind. Flip-flops, they're so much cuter. Scattered super bloom. Paris. Shh, girls getaway. I don't know, it would be like choosing children. They're all the best. Windows down, hair blowing. And thanks you guys for joining me for our travel takes as I get ready for my upcoming trip.